guys, you ready to do some work on my Jeep?
That's right, Jack. What are we going to do today?
We're going to change 2 pulleys.
That we are. Let's go take a look under the engine.
Okay.
All right, Jack, can you point out what we're going to replace?
So we're going to replace this pulley and this one.
Okay. Why are we replacing them?
Because this one makes a noise and this one makes a noise, but that one down there doesn't.
Yeah, so they're a little noisy. And we've got
A brand new one.
Yep. So we got the brand new ones. Really, it's just one bolt that holds each one on. And then we got to put the serpentine belt back on. And then we'll get the Jeep running and see if it sounds a lot better. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
First car part that I have. Okay.
All right, so we're going to take this noisy pulley off. I've got it soaking with some WD-40.
Also this one.
Let's see here. Get a ratchet.
Ratchet.
So I'm going to see if I can break it loose, and then I'll let you take it off, okay?
Okay.
Oh, it's not too bad. There we go.
Okay.
All right, you take it the rest of the way.
Okay. This is fun.
We'll probably take it off by hand. I think it's pretty loose.
Oh. Wait.
Yep.
Yep, it's coming out. This will be fun. What? Oh.
It's okay.
It scared me. It's almost out. It's hanging.
Okay, I'll hold it. Just, oh, it's got a, okay, go ahead. Right, now pull that bolt out. Pull it out.
Oh.
All right. Okay, so that is good.
How do I do this?
Now you're gonna change the ratchet. Flip that. No, flip that little lever. So now it's tightening.
Okay. So now I do the same way. Just it tightens.
Yep. Well, now you'll go the opposite way. Okay. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I'll put it. Turn it. Okay, I gotta put something on the back. Hold it. Okay, you actually got it pretty tight, so let me just finish it off. I'll try it. Oh yeah.
Silent.
Exactly. Got a little wiggle to it, which is all right, but it's silent. You're not hearing the metal.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's one down.
Nice.
Let's see. Hear that? So that's all the little bearings inside rubbing on each other.
Sounds like water.
It's metal grinding on each other.
Oh.
So, yep, that definitely needed to be replaced. All right, we got one more to do.
Okay.
I'll break it loose, and then you can do the same thing.
Okay. Am I okay here?
Yep. Just stay where you're at.
It's a rubber belt.
Yep.
It's not really a belt, though.
No, it is a belt.
You know a
You mean
belt.
not a clothing belt?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Okay. So you can see from my cheat sheet, we go over the 2 pulleys that we just installed, down under this small one down there.
That one?
Then it comes up and does like an S.
Oh yeah, there's the big one.
So, yep. Hop
Oh,
down because
no.
I'm gonna need to jump up there. Okay.
Okay. What did you say?
Hop down, and then I'll have you help me tighten it. All right, Jack. We got our new pulleys on.
Mm-hmm.
No noise there. We got our serpentine belt back on. That was kind of a pain.
Yeah.
And it's nice and tight now. So the next step is start the Jeep up and see how it sounds.
Yep.
So to do that,
If it does start up.
yep, I'll have you stand over there so you're not in front of the Jeep because this transmission's kind of wonky.
And I don't want to get run over.
Exactly.
Could I sit in the passenger seat?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to do that.
Okay. So I'm just gonna put a little gas down the.
This will be cool. If it does work. I haven't heard it yet. Is it loud?
Yeah, you've heard the Jeep.
No, I haven't.
You haven't?
No. I wasn't here when you started it up.
Oh, okay.
That was a different video.
All right, here we go.
This will be fun.
Okay.
Start this thing up. Oh yeah. It's spinning.
All right, let me cheat with a little more gas.
It's spinning.
All right.
I saw it. That was cool.
Let's see here.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, shoot, we'll just use some carpet cleaner.
Let's hop back in.
Okay. Yep. Hop back in.
Okay. This will be cool. Okay.
Take 2.
Take 2, Jeep Edition. It's spinning.
Yep.
Exactly 3 hours later.
We may be out of fuel.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah. It's on E. I think we're out of gas.
Oh, yep. It's empty.
Yeah. So it's just not pumping any gas.
We just realized that it's out of gas.
All right. Well, it runs. It's tight.
More
We'll,
gas?
We'll get some more gas. Yeah, we can pump.
We have gas? Don't we have gas? You do.
Not very much. Oh, I don't have the key for the gas tank.
Shoot.
So.
Wait, there's a key for the gas tank?
Yep.